Hi, welcome back to the show. Let's quickly get a corporate in and get an update on their earnings. DB Corp announced their earnings. Girish Agarwaal, the non-executive director of the company, joins us now to talk about that. The numbers were good. Total income was up 16%. Margins improved to close to 25% versus 22% earlier, and net profits as well were up about 22% or so. Girish, hi, good morning, and thanks for being with us on the show. On the basis of this quarter's performance, can you extrapolate what the numbers might look like at the end of FY14? What kind of top-line growth and margin performance are you expecting?
I wish I could, but frankly speaking, we are living month by month, so anticipating anything for the next 6 months will be next to impossible. But looking at the trend currently, like this quarter also, we've been able to grow at 17%. So we feel this kind of growth should continue, but keeping fingers crossed.
Okay, do you notice any ability to push up ad rates? And what's the focus on ad volumes as well?
Yeah, from almost last 7 quarters we've been doing that. So we've been pushing a lot of on the yield increase. So whatever number has gone up, almost 50% has come from the yield increase. And balance 50% has come from the volume.
Okay. In terms of margins, do you think you could do better than this 25% margin levels that you clocked this quarter because of the reasons you alluded to?
See, if you look at this margin also, if I take out the forex gain and loss, the margin is up almost by 36%. The number which you see at 24% is more because of the forex gain and loss. If I take that out, so I'm at 36%. So looking at the dollar now, because we had last quarter has taken a dollar 63 rupees, now it has come down. So we hope that in the next 2 quarters, the number should improve drastically on this point. Also, the losses on the emerging editions, if you remember last time we mentioned to you that they are coming down. And if you look at the apple-to-apple comparison, the losses of those editions have come down. But at the same time, we are now since working on the new editions, like we just launched Akola, Amravati in Maharashtra, and we are now launching Bihar in the last quarter or maybe first quarter next year. So some expenses are happening on that side also.
So your EBITDA loss on the emerging editions will continue in the second half?
Yeah, because see, if you notice, if I don't expand, if I don't spend back in the business, then after a while I'll touch the roof. So one need to keep expanding the roof. So one has to invest back in the market. And that's the reason like some of the growth from the 17% has come from the markets which we have launched in the last couple of years, like Maharashtra and Jharkhand. So similarly, we continue to grow, and this year we are planning to launch Bihar, so addition from Patna. So we'll have to make some investment in those markets to further keep growing.
All right, Girish, thank you very much for joining us with your perspective on your second quarter numbers. Markets actually in fine fettle this morning, about nearly 1% higher on the Sensex.